everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a picture transparent on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps and then add the photo that you want to edit, if you want to make this photo or if you want to make the photo too transparent, it's so simple. So you just click on your photo, and then at the bottom in here at the menu you can swipe until you can see transparency. This one, click on it, and then in here you can set the opacity or transparency to left or right like this. And after this you can go back, and after this you can export the photo. But if you want to make the photo or if you want to make this photo too transparent, you just click on download, and after this in here you can click on file types. If you want to make this photo too transparent, so you just click on PNG, and then now you just click in here and transparent background, so you just click on it like this, and after this you can click on download, and then after this you can see your picture, your transparent picture on your gallery. And finish. So that how to make transparent picture on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.